Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited for the month of March to open the Witch's Moon box. They are so amazing, guys. They always have such neat subscription boxes, and let's see, can I move back a little bit more? There we go. I was a little bit zoomed in, but I'm so excited because the subscription company, guys, is so amazing. Let's just open their box and check them out down below because the Witch's Moon is linked, and they have all your magical stuff, guys. OMG. Look at all the cool stuff I'm already seeing in here. So let's see what the theme is for this month. And it looks like I get a little Oracle Tarot card. One of the two. You get a little reading from them. Look at this cute little bow they did, guys. They always do a cute bow. And usually it's with twine, but this matches the vibes of all the color in my altar. I got some new, like, I don't know if you guys can see here, like these cups and that Chinese incense burner behind me. So that's kind of a cute little bow. I'm gonna put it on. So let's see what the theme is. It says the Elementum Bentus, if I'm pronouncing that right. It says, as the sun continues to show more face, the earth begins to come alive. There is change and transformation carried upon the wind that caresses our spirit. A sense of new hope, refined vision is slowly showing itself amidst the seeming chaos. The months that are to follow are a time of new growth, transformation, and inspired action. New goals and the plan to reach them begin to form and develop through our spell crafting and intentions. We can start to feel our hearts beat just a little faster as the days become longer and our aspirations become brighter. In this very special collection, we focus on the transformative and inspiring aspects of the element of wind so that we may bolster our ability to bring new growth and blessings into our life and to those that surround us. The magical items in this box are as follows. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what's in this box. And this is the little oracle card I got, guys. It is so cute. Matches the color of the shirt I'm wearing today, too. So it looks like these are all of the Book of Shadows artwork, guys. They're like so beautiful. This one is a little sigil that they created. It says, may the seeds of my aspirations become manifest, so mote it be. Like, it's so beautiful. I love that little Book of Shadows artwork and their sigil to help you manifest your desired result. Oh, it talks about the flower full moon, the April estimbat, and the full moon for April. Oh, that's so pretty, guys. I love the flowers on it. And the butterflies. And the Element of Wind Book of Shadows artwork. And I love this, guys, because I remember in one of their past boxes, I guess there's a north, south, east, and west wind. So they have them each represented right here. I forget their exact names because there's so many. But, oh, that is so cool how they represented each, direction of the element of air. I thought it was just one. So that's super cool, guys. I love that. And a neat way you can practice magic is when you cast your circle. Calling upon each element is neat, but what about calling upon the north, south, and east, and west wind to move around you? And you can even call upon the wind of spirit if you wanted to. And it's just like magic is ever growing and just ever like neat, guys. There's just so many neat layers. I didn't even know there was a wind for each direction. I thought there's just one element of air. So it looks like there is some lemongrass incense, and I'm not going to even open it, guys, because through the plastic you can smell it, and oh my god, this smells so amazing, and it just smells so good. Reminds me of some yummy Asian food for sure. And oh my god, guys, there's just all the neat little things in here. I think this is a little crystal or something. Like, I just love how they package it. Nothing is going to be breaking on us, guys. I think this is a crystal. What kind of crystal is this, though? It looks like something I've never seen before. Ooh, this is pretty. Maybe it's some lemon quartz, guys. It's this, like, yellow stone. I wonder what that one is. I'm gonna read it later. I think it's lemon quartz. It looks like there's some Golden Radiance Ritual Herbal Tea, so can't wait to be using my tea set I got from the Witch's Moon in a previous box. We got some blue sage to burn away all the negative energy. And there is something else that's in here, guys. This feels like a wreath or something. What is this? I'm so excited. Let's see, what is it? Which side do I open? Open here? What? We got a wind chime, guys? Whoa. This is so big. Well, how did this even fit in there? That is so funny. So which way do I do it? Whoa. Ooh, and this is packaged, so I'm assuming there's a crystal on it too. Like, this is so beautiful, guys. And look at the big moon on top. This is so nice for spring and just so calming to like have outside in nature. I just love the sound, so I wonder what this part is, guys. It has to be some like pretty sensitive crystal. Ooh, I'm trying not to let this touch the ground, but it's a little heavy. So that something is wrapped in here, guys, that's like more, I think, delicate. So this looks like, ooh, what is it? It's some kind of stone. I think it's just a natural stone, guys, but they wrapped it so it doesn't break on us. So I always admire that of the Witch's Moon and appreciate it that they package everything so well that nothing is going to be breaking on us in transportation because of how they package it. So this is so cool, guys. I will have video shots for you to see how it looks outside. It's just so beautiful. So this is a handmade goddess and crescent moon wind chime, guys. It says, we are so thrilled to finally have the opportunity to include our handmade goddess and crescent moon wind chime to this collection. This wind chime has been created from bamboo, reclaimed wood, and carries a river rock at the bottom to be guided by the wind. You will find the symbol of the goddess included within this wind chime, representing our connection with the divine feminine and the strength that resides within the purity of energy. Also, the crescent moon has been incorporated to represent new growth, hope, influence, and the coming of change. Upon these symbols, you will find the hand-painted spiral representing our path to be our higher self among many interpretations. There's a rich history of wind chimes being used throughout many cultures and civilizations. Ancient Rome wind chimes were generally made from bronze and were hung in the courtyard to ward off malevolent spirits and to guard against the evil eye. In India, during the 2nd century CE, wind chimes were hung on the corners of buildings and homes to not only bring peace and harmony, but to frighten away any lurking evil spirits that may be close by. The modern magic of wind chimes is represented as maximizing the flow of chi, our life's purest form of energy. The wind is also a malleable representation, and meanings carry such significance and ability to push through stagnant conditions so that we may find real change and positive movement in our lives. When the wind finds you, embrace and accept its strength, allow its force to bring clarity, new ideas to your intellectual processes. And there's so much more information, guys. I just think this is so beautiful and I'm in love with it. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. I love how it's handmade and one of a kind. I have to set it down because it was so hard holding it, guys, but my cat's trying to eat it. She can't eat it. So thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for the amazing wind chime. There is just so many neat things in here, guys. I have to show them all to you. It looks like we also have some herbs of lemongrass and orange peel. So these herbs are so perfect to work with. Spring coming up, the autumnal equinox. We have this, guys. Oh, I'm just so in love with the ritual aura sprays. It's just so amazing, guys. So this one's totally working with the element of air. I see air symbols written all over this bottle, like so magical. I just love the artwork and everything, guys, and the frosted glass. It just looks so cool. So oh, it smells so good, guys. There's bergamot in it, and it smells a little masculine. And the photo of the air representation on this little bottle is more of like a guy on it, so I could see the energy being more masculine. Oh, it smells so good and citrusy, and some of it kind of got on my tongue, but oh my god, I smell the bergamot. This smells so good, guys. So refreshing, recharging. I'm so happy with that one. And it looks like besides that, guys, there's also our Ritual Aura Bath Salt Cleanse. It looks like there's our bath salts of the month, guys, too. It's the Gust of Change. It smells good. It looks so beautiful, too, with the Epsom salt and just all the cleansing vibes in here. I can't wait to take my ritual bath, guys. That is so awesome. And it looks like besides that, we have the smudge stick I showed you guys. Some blue sage to clear away any negative energy. And our last thing is this beeswax spell candle. So I'm so happy to see what the color is for this month. I've been trying to burn mine, guys. Let's see. Oh my god, guys. This one is a bright neon yellow candle, and this is so perfect with, you know, the upcoming change of seasons. Like, look at all the yellow and gold on my altar. I just love that. It looks so cool. So I'm so happy to have this beeswax candle. And all the ritual tools in this box were so fun, guys. I'm really excited about the wind chime. I think it's so neat. One of a kind. So thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for another amazing subscription box. Be sure to check them out. Link down below, guys. They have a moon market with all their magical goodies, as well as their 3 different subscription boxes. And this one was the moon one. Let them know that I sent you and go check them out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you guys can be notified for all of my future videos. And like always guys, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, blessed with the power of the full moon and the spring equinox, may Goddess Nyx and Goddess Hecate, may you be blessed and rejuvenated in their loving embrace, and so it is. Blessed be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.